And the race is on fuego from the outside. New chapter. The of J down on the inside, rising up Amazing Act Smart Alec. And on the further outside, reality show Formidable Ella, Fiery Bull, Prince Carlos, Maripans, while King Aljun is running at the tail of the field. Number 3, new chapter, Amazing Act, Smart Alec in the middle. The Object reality show also joining them. Rounding the far turn, new chapter, Amazing Act, Smart Alec reality show, The of Jade. As they race the last 500, new chapter, Amazing Act is on the outside. Reality show is Smart Alec in the middle. As they swing for home, 4 runners fighting it out for the lead. It's now entry number 3, still the leader, new chapter, Amazing Act reality show, rushing up, moves up to take the lead. It's now reality show by some 3 lengths now, new chapter, Amazing Act, and finally reality show, new chapter, close, Fiery Bull, Smart Alec, Fuego took 5th. Then comes close, Smarty Fans, Amazing Act.
Okay.